Overwhelmed by all the conflicting financial advice out there? Stop. Take a deep breath, step back for a moment, and simplify everything down to what actually works. One simple idea can cut through all the noise, remove the overwhelm, and replace all that confusion with clarity and direction. Create once and sell many times. That's the real magic of digital products, and it's much simpler than it sounds at first. Your personal effort alone doesn't scale, but a smart system does, quietly and consistently multiplying your results in the background. Making digital products is far simpler than most people believe. You don't need complex tools, big teams, or perfect strategies to begin. Forget the myths. Passive income isn't impossible, and you don't need to be famous, experienced, or wait months just to see results. Even small, simple ideas can grow into multiple products that continue to sell again and again over time. A small amount of focused effort up front can create something that repeats itself, generating ongoing income with less and less work. Make it once, and you can sell it 100 times without repeating the same effort, freeing up your time for other things. Automation handles the heavy lifting for you, quietly managing sales, delivery, and distribution while you focus elsewhere. You don't need to wait for perfection, just start small, take action, and improve as you go along. Progress beats perfection every time. Every small creation compounds over time, stacking results on top of each other and building a steady stream of recurring income. Your brain creates the ideas, but your system is what multiplies them, turning one effort into many outcomes. Start simple, think bigger over time, and repeat the process consistently. The results grow faster than you expect. Make once, sell many, and enjoy the freedom of knowing your digital products are still working even when you're not.